Have you noticed that your cucumber plants start producing fruit, but after a while the cucumbers stay small and the harvest slows down? Many gardeners make a common mistake right when the first fruits appear. The plants still look healthy, so they stop feeding them. But this is actually the stage when cucumbers need the most nutrients. As soon as fruiting begins, the plant uses huge amounts of energy to grow and fill new cucumbers. If important minerals are missing, production can quickly decline. Today I'll show you a simple homemade cucumber booster. First, crush a few clean eggshells and place them in a jug. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water over them. For better calcium extraction, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and let the mixture sit overnight. Next, add 1 tablespoon of wood ash and stir well. Wood ash is naturally rich in potassium, a nutrient that cucumbers need heavily during fruit production. Potassium helps fruits grow larger, improves plant strength, and supports continuous harvesting. After a few hours, strain the mixture and dilute it with another 500 milliliters of water. Apply about 200 milliliters around the base of each cucumber plant every 2 to 3 weeks. Try this simple method and watch your cucumber plants stay productive for much longer. Have you ever used wood ash in your garden? Let me know in the comments.